Police officers in Santa Fe, New Mexico say they received a report of people yelling and banging from inside a U-Haul truck. When they attempt to stop the vehicle, the driver allegedly speeds away.
All over the road, approaching I-25, 78 miles an hour, southbound, still I-25. We're going, it's going approaching heavy traffic onto 14, heavy traffic on 14. You went straight on 14, passing the all subs, We're in the red light, heavy traffic, 4 miles an hour. You have the SR, or is it just you there still? I'll see you thus far. We're in the residential area, going 13 miles an hour. Maybe I'll advise you on Cross Street. I need people to set up spikes back on 14. I don't need anyone right here. He's gonna hit a dead end. Driver front tire is flat. Okay, all out vision. I'm gonna take over comms.
He's crashing out, He's
T78.com, just heading back towards Avenida del Sol. You know, left, going back to the residence where you're right. Command 4 will have spikes at 589 in front of you. So when we have spikes at AAA on the other exit. We have spikes at 14, 599 going eastbound. This spike. We got him, primary. Someone take over for me. I need a more unit.
Simon, right behind you, taking over.
Let me go up front. Big out 3. I'm on comms for Highway 14 going northbound, passing the brewery. All tires are out. Here, let me take over for you.
Head on.
Going into incoming traffic. Hey, please, he's with us, guys. Traffic going to... He's gonna hit a car. He's back at 45 miles an hour. He's gonna run a red light.
I don't want to live in MSP's trying to take over for you, sir.
Before, I have it. Let him take over. Making a left turn on Herrera. Stop.
No, stop the vehicle! Get up now! Show me your hands! Hands empty. I got some! Get up the close! We will send the canine!
We still hear banging from the back of the U-Haul.
What's going towards me? Keep your hands up! Keep your hands
We do confirm here banging from the back of the U-Haul truck.
All the way to your stomach! All the way to your stomach! Hands up and empty! Hands up! I got 2.
Officers find 2 people in the back of the truck, and the driver, identified as Stacy Walker, faces kidnapping and fleeing charges.